Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to share access to your Ring camera. So first open the Ring app and sign into your account. Then go to the menu and look for users or shared users depending on your app version. Then choose the option to add a shared user. Now enter the person's email address and select the Ring devices or permissions you want them to have. Then after that, send the invitation and ask the person to follow the instruction in their email. And once they accept the invitation and sign in or create their Ring account, they will be able to access the devices you've shared with them. Only share access with people you trust and review or remove the shared users when necessary. So that was how to share Ring camera access. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.